In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to plot a map of the United States using Python. In this map, each state will be color-coded by population. Firstly, you'll want to make sure you have some Python experience. This includes understanding how to use the pip package manager to install new Python packages. Finally, the tutorial code uses a popular Python library called pandas. Knowledge of pandas is helpful, but not strictly necessary. First, we're going to need to get our population data using the US Census API. In order to use the API, you'll need a unique API key. Go to this link to get your key. The link will be included in the description of this video. You'll only need to provide your organization name and email address. You will then be receiving an email with your key and an activation link. The following command installs all of the required dependencies. Plotly is a plotting library with built-in support for color-coding maps of the United States. US is a library that manages US state abbreviations when parsing the data. Census is a library that simplifies use of the US Census API. Pandas is a library used for managing tables of data. There are two environment variables we'll need to define. DC_statehood is an environment variable checked by the US library. You can set the value to either 0 or 1, depending on whether you want Washington, D.C.'s population included in the map. Census_API_key is an environment variable our program will use to grab your API key. Now, we shall write the program. First, we're going to import necessary modules. Then, we're going to use the US Census API to grab population data for every state in the country. We will then put the data in a table. We're then going to use that data to generate the map using Plotly's choropleth functionality. Finally, we'll display the plot. The US Census API provides access to many different tables of data. B01003_001E refers to the census table that contains population data for each state. In the next video of this series, we will modify this program to plot different data on this map. Feel free to pause the video now to write down the code. Now, it is finally time to run the program and view the map. This is every state in the United States color-coded by population. A lighter color indicates a larger population. A darker color indicates a smaller population. Hover over any particular state to see its population. This concludes our tutorial. See you next time, and remember to like and subscribe.